Yes, so my experience was very great. Actually, I met with an accident. Just say my right knee was damaged. Just my ACL and meniscal tear tha. But I visited 3 to 4 doctors earlier, but they were recommending to just delay and not do the MRI. But when I visited Dr. Lalit, so he just by seeing it, so he just told me that there is not ACL tear and you need a surgery. So immediately after that, we went for a surgery and it went well. So now, yes, since we 1.5 month time, I'm just doing the normal things like before. So it was a great experience because everything he guided us through the everything, through the insurance process and through everything. So yes, it was a great experience.